In this video, you'll see a quick contour setup, a change in the IO-Link data output structure that allows you to select the data you want from the evaluation, and a few examples of the data in a PLC. We'll start in the Applications tab, select the plus button. In this example, we will select the Contour Presence control. This is a quick overview of the steps to define the application. Some more information. For the trigger, select Process Interface. The O2I camera will autofocus by default. Select Next. Turning off some of the internal illumination helps better define the washer. We can also manually adjust the exposure, and this can help the image as well. Select Next. These next steps go over defining the contour thresholds and minimum contour length. As the defaults are set already, let's select Next. I'm going to select Next again. I'm going to take this search zone, I'm going to make that smaller, just so we have a quicker exposure time and process of the data. And down here, you'll see that the minimum score, so this is going to be the contour match and how it lines up with our known good value. So as long as that lines up and it's within 85% of what we teach it, it will pass. We're going to leave Ethernet and digital outputs, select Next, Next, Next. Here in this final test screen, we'll see score data, orientation, the number of objects found, in this case just the one. And what we should do to modify that IO-Link structure of data we get back is we're going to select user-defined mode. This takes us out of being able to use the wizard, which is okay. In the left-hand column, select logic. You can see here that the pass-fail logic is based on whether a matching model was found. With that in mind, in the left-hand column, select Interfaces. Click on IO-Link to open the data structure. You can make the data simple by keeping the pass-fail 2 bytes data. Next, you can delete the remaining structure and then start fresh. Select Application Results, select Models, select ROI Results, select Contour Matches. From the list of options, select Score. This will be the percentage match score in relation to the contour parameters set in the application. Select Save and select Back. To test the application trigger, make sure that you either disconnect or click into the monitor mode when testing the IO-Link trigger functionality via the PLC. Here is the data for the current application. 1 means that a matching model was found and the percentage match score value seen here matches with the data in VisionAssistant, minus the 2 decimal offset that must be applied via the code. In this next example, orientation and the X and Y position have been added to the original interface structure. The model passes again with a 1. You see the percentage match score. Orientation is 0 as we are looking at a circular object. And position X and Y both match what you see in VisionAssistant. In this last example, you see a blob application where a pass-fail is present again. In a simple total area, 1 is present for the pass-fail, and you can see that the total area count matches the value in VisionAssistant. There are different facets to every camera application, and the O2U5 series allows you to decide what data is most important to provide over IO-Link.